Mr. Speaker, when the sports in Tokyo were going on, I was in a foreign country, a white man's country, and the admiration I received because I announced in the sports bar that I'm a Kenyan. In the sports bar, yeah, we watch sports in a sports bar. We don't watch sports in a church.
Just address the
If you want to take the Holy Communion, you go to church. If you want to see sports, you go to the sports bar. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are taken so seriously as far as sports is concerned. I therefore want to applaud the President for the recognition he gave to these young people, but also want to encourage government not to make it look like it's a presidential intervention. We have a proper budget that defines who gets what, for what reason, and at what time. Mr. Speaker, speaking on this victory by Lilian Odira, a Luo young girl, is a testament to the fact that all the Kenyan children can do what children in other tribes do. All they need is incentive. For a long time, many people thought that athletes was for young people from the Kalenjin nation.